Planning to travel to Spain? Are you afraid of speaking Spanish? This video may help you. We'll show you some sentences about the main topics when you arrive to Spain. Well, I guess you would like to get by in your visit to Spain, so you can't miss out this video. Hola Juan.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Oye, me has dicho que tienes una sorpresa para mí.
Tengo una sorpresa.
¿Qué es?
He comprado unos billetes para Madrid.
¿Nos vamos a España?
Nos vamos de vacaciones a España.
¡Vámonos! ¿Os venís?
¡Vámonos!
Okay, Juan, we've just landed in Spain and I need help because I can't speak Spanish.
Bueno, let's see. What type of help do you need, my friend?
Now I don't know where to go to pick up my luggage.
Okay, that is called recogida de equipajes. So you have to look at the signs, yeah? Recogida de equipajes and go there, yeah?
But Juan, I have a problem. I can't find my luggage.
Bueno, ¿no encuentras tu maleta?
No.
Entonces habrá que ir a atención al cliente.
O a objetos perdidos.
Sí.
También. Okay. Pero claro, yo es que facturé la maleta en Londres cuando salimos de allí. La he facturado y ahora no sé dónde está. I don't know where it is.
He did the check-in.
Yeah.
Facturar, check-in.
Okay.
Bueno.
Now, Juan, I don't have euros. I need to exchange money.
Exchange currency.
Yeah.
Bueno, entonces supongo, I guess that in that bank over there they can do it for you.
Ah, en ese mostrador.
En ese mostrador
Vale.
te pueden cambiar divisas.
Bueno, pues voy a cambiar divisas.
Muy bien. I'm gonna have a look at the transport, at the public transport.
Ah, okay.
A few moments later.
Hey, Juan. Look, I've already found my luggage.
That's good news.
What do you know about the public transport here in Spain?
Okay, we can take metro, underground, or we can catch a taxi, coger un taxi o llamar a un taxi.
Okay.
So,
También hay autobús, ¿no?
Autobús, pero para nuestro hotel es mejor un taxi.
Okay, pues bueno, how can I
Llama
grab
a un
taxi?
taxi.
Llamar a un taxi.
Usually at the airport you have a long queue of taxis expecting
Thousands of them.
So no worries.
Okay, but Juan, I don't know how to say where we're going because I can't speak Spanish.
Bueno, we have to tell the taxi driver, ¿me puede llevar a... Can you take me to? ¿Me puede llevar o voy a el hotel? Voy a el hotel Rich.
For instance. Vale.
Entonces, ¿me puede llevar would be the nicer way.
Okay. Okay, Juan, just our taxi driver has taken us to the hotel, so...
You have to pay.
Yes, how can you say to this guy?
¿Cuánto es? ¿Cuánto es? How much is it? Yeah. So be careful because just look at the thing because some taxi drivers are a bit dodgy.
Yes, it's called taximeter, taxímetro en español. I don't know if it's
look
taximetro.
At the taximetro.
Yeah, the counter.
But usually they fine, just in case.
Yes, but normally they are nice. Taxi drivers in Spain are not fishy.
No.
Normally they take you there in a good way.
Vamos a ver qué podemos hacer.
Okay.
Vamos a la recepción, Let's go to the reception of the hotel.
Recepción, okay.
A la recepción.
And I don't know how to say, hi, I have a reservation.
Bueno, hola, tengo una reserva. Or sometimes we say, tenía una reserva, to be polite.
Yeah. Okay, and they will tell you, ¿a nombre de quién?
On whose name? Okay. Te dan las llaves, they give you the keys, las llaves, and you take your luggage, tu maleta, and go to your room.
Tu habitación.
A tu habitación, la habitación 234.
Su habitación será la número 234, en la segunda planta.
Primera planta, segunda planta, second floor.
tienes que ir al ascensor que está en el pasillo de la derecha. Bien, al ascensor.
Entonces sí, también podemos preguntar, we can have a look at how to ask for things, like, por favor, ¿dónde está el baño? Yeah?
Okay.
Where's the bathroom?
The bathroom. Okay. Well, Juan, we are already at the room and we are going to leave the luggage because I can't wait to visit Madrid.
Bueno, no puedes esperar, ¿eh? O sea, estás
ansioso.
Ansioso.
Sí.
Ay, perdón. Estás ansioso de visitar los monumentos, los museos.
Correcto. Okay, now Juan, I don't know the opening hours in this hotel to have breakfast, lunch, etc. So how can you ask that, Juan?
Okay, vamos a recepción, and I would ask, disculpe, ¿a qué hora se desayuna?
¿O a qué hora es el desayuno?
¿A qué hora se sirve el desayuno? ¿A qué hora termina la cena? Because you have to be careful, yeah? If you're not there at a certain time, maybe you don't have dinner.
Bueno, se podría decir, ¿cuál es el horario para desayunar, para comer, para cenar también?
That's the best way, yeah? The quickest way. ¿Cuál es el horario del restaurante o del comedor?
O del comedor. Okay, Juan, now I would like to ask this lady if there's a swimming pool in this hotel.
You mean the receptionist?
Yeah.
Okay. Disculpe. Always you can say disculpe, o perdón. Disculpe. ¿Dónde está la piscina?
¿O tiene piscina este hotel?
¿Hay piscina? ¿O tiene piscina este hotel? You see? Okay. There is.
Okay, Juan, someone told me about the Museo del Prado. I would like to go there, but I don't know how.
You wanna know the direction?
Yeah.
Bueno, entonces, then, you can go and ask, disculpe, ¿cómo se llega? ¿Cómo se va? ¿Cómo se llega? How can we get to el Prado? ¿Cómo se llega?
Sí, ¿cómo se llega? O cómo, ¿me podría decir usted cómo llegar o cómo ir?
¿Cómo llegar? How to get.
Al Museo del Prado. Si tú dices al Prado directamente, ¿cómo se va al Prado? They know what you mean. And then you can also ask for teatro, iglesia, restaurante,
monuments, especially.
Monumentos.
Because if you're in Madrid, probably you want to see La Cibeles, Neptuno,
la Puerta de Alcalá,
Gran Vía.
Okay. O también para preguntar, if you want to know where the city center is, por favor, ¿dónde está el centro de la ciudad? O para ir al centro. Okay.
También en el metro puedes preguntar, you can ask, disculpe, ¿me puede indicar qué línea para Atocha?
La línea para Atocha, la línea... We have good metro in Madrid.
We have one of the best.
Yes,
of the world.
One of the best on the world, and everything is well explained. You just need to follow all the stations.
Everyone will help you.
Yeah. Okay, Juan. Now I'm hungry. After visiting this Prado Museum.
¿Dónde vamos? ¿Vamos a un restaurante?
Sí, por favor.
¿Qué tipo de restaurante te gustaría?
Hombre, as we are in Spain, I would like the one I've heard about tapas or something like that.
Okay. ¿Quieres probar las tapas? You want to try tapas?
Yeah.
Bueno, vamos a preguntar. Let's ask someone. Disculpe, ¿sabe o conoce usted un restaurante de tapas o un bar de tapas?
Un bar de tapas, normalmente.
¿Conoce usted un bar de tapas por aquí?
O también podría decir, ¿sabe usted dónde está la zona de bares de tapas? También, okay. Because in Madrid, in downtown Madrid, we have many of them, en La Latina, en Chueca, en Huerta, so we have several places with loads of bar de tapas, okay?
Yeah, you can find tapas anywhere in Spain.
Okay, and then Juan, I would like to have a drink quietly outside. So,
¿quieres ir a una terraza?
Yeah.
A una terracita.
Sí, una buena terraza.
Okay, so you mean like outdoors, yeah? Al fresco.
Correct.
Like they say in England.
Okay.
Bueno, Let's ask.
Okay.
Disculpe, ¿una terraza por aquí? ¿Una terraza
Para tomar algo.
para tomar
Eso es
algo?
algo muy común. Oye, ¿sabe usted
To
dónde hay
have a
algo?
drink.
Para tomar algo.
That's how we say to have a drink in Spain. Tomar algo. ¿Quieres tomar algo?
Eso es, okay. And then, Juan.
Do you want to order food? ¿Quieres pedir comida?
Yes.
Vamos a pedir comida.
Okay.
Camarero, disculpe, ¿tiene usted menú del día?
O me
¿Menú?
puede,
Ujú,
o me puede traer la carta, por favor.
exactamente. Can you bring the menu? Bueno, vamos a explicar to you, let's explain to you that in Spain we have menú del día, and it's the first dish, second dish, and you can order that, which is a bit probably cheaper, yeah? Like maybe 10 euros. You have a
10,
good
12,
meal.
yes.
Menú del día. If I was you, I would look for menús del día.
But if you ask for the carta, normally, pues you pay dish
Separately.
by dish. Yes, as it's normally more expensive.
So here you have a tip. Menú del día in Madrid, it can be very enjoyable.
Now, the food was yummy, so we need to pay.
En este caso, in this case, we would ask for la cuenta. Perdón, la cuenta, por favor, the bill.
Okay.
Yeah? So that's
Bien,
how
bien,
we
bien.
ask for la cuenta.
Oye, Juan, ¿y how do you say this in Spanish? Shall we go Dutch?
Mhm. Pagar a medias. Pagar a medias, you pay your bit and I pay my part. Yeah?
Okay, okay.
Okay, if you want to leave a tip to the workers of the restaurant, yeah, to the staff, then this is called propina, Dejamos propina, normalmente €1.
Sí,
Usually,
€1.
€1.
Hombre,
that'll be fine.
y si comes muy bien,
In a-
€1.50, €2, but it's not compulsory, no es obligatorio, Like in other countries, you have to pay tip. In
It's
this
up
case.
to you.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Juan, very robar. Police, Juan, policía.
Okay, I don't think I understood what he said. I think what he's trying to say is, Juan, he visto un robo, llama a la policía.
That's what I meant,
I've
Juan.
seen a robbery.
Okay.
Bueno, tener cuidado con los ladrones, but it's not that usual, it's not that common anymore.
Bueno, pickpockets, Juan,
We have
¿cómo
some
se dicen?
people that are called carteristas,
Tu cartera,
yeah,
your
your
wallet,
wallet.
pues carterista.
so be careful, make sure that no one put their hands in your pocket.
Especially
okay?
when the
the
street is
underground.
crowded.
The place for that usually is the underground, and don't leave your phone on top of the table
Yeah, just
because
in
you
case.
never know.
Okay, Juan. So now we need to go to the police station because I've seen this
Bueno.
robbery.
Vamos a la comisaría. In Spanish it's called comisaría, police station.
Vale, comisaría, okay. I
El
have to
señor
remember this.
policía, the police officer,
Mhm.
is gonna attend us. So, señor, hemos visto un robo. We've seen
Mhm.
un robo, Hemos
Hemos
visto
visto un
a
robo.
un ladrón, thief,
O
committing a
hemos
crime.
visto una pelea, también a
We've
fight.
seen a fight,
Okay,
una
yes.
pelea. Also, if for example you lose your passport, go to the police straight away and tell them, he perdido
Mi pasaporte, por favor.
el pasaporte o mi pasaporte. It's very important to go to the police quickly. and-
Or someone has stolen your wallet. Me han robado la cartera con
Ujú.
toda mi documentación.
me
eso
han
también
robado la
importante.
cartera, with all the papers, con
Ajá.
toda la documentación.
Mhm.
So, go to the police straight away. If that happens, it's not gonna happen, so don't
No.
worry, no te preocupes.
No. Okay, Juan, now I feel a bit sick.
Bueno, vamos a tener que ir al hospital. We're gonna have to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Vamos al hospital. Llamo a un taxi, como siempre, y ya estamos en el hospital. ¿Qué dice el doctor? What is the doctor saying?
¿Qué le ocurre?
What happened to you?
Pues I feel okay, bad, or I feel
No
nauseous,
me encuentro bien. I
Eso
don't feel well. No me encuentro bien.
o me duele la cabeza, me
¿Eh?
duele el estómago, me duele el oído, la
Ujú.
muela. Bueno, pains,
Me han,
aches and
me han
pains.
atacado. I got attacked. Me han atacado. Me han pegado.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, let's continue.
Bueno, this
Let's
is
not get too negative.
just in case, but don't think of this. Let's
Yeah.
enjoy it, Juan.
Enjoy your holidays because, to be honest, Spain is one of the safest places in the world.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, there's a lot of
there's
crime.
nothing to worry about.
No, normally you can even go out at night to have some drink, and normally it's full of people outside, no problem.
Maybe the police will take you home. You never
Yeah.
know. I've seen it before.
Yeah.
Okay, we hope you like this video. We made it especially for you English speakers that come to Spain for holidays, or even for people that want to live in our country.
Okay, we are from Madrid and we are talking about Madrid, but you know, if you go to La Playa, a la costa, pues al Mediterráneo, Málaga, etc., it's the same. Okay?
Yeah. It's exactly the same. They speak the same language, so don't worry.
Yeah.
And ask
But
for paella.
never ask for Museo del Prado in Málaga, okay?
No,
Okay.
in Málaga better ask for pescadito frito.
Eso es, mejor.
Bueno,
Okay.
it's been a pleasure, my friends. Don't forget that we're gonna do this type of videos often now, yeah, like special videos about a topic. So stay tuned to our channel.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell, okay? It will help us a lot.
And you need to get the notifications, otherwise, so yeah, click on the bell and everyone will be happy, eh? Take care, my friends, we're going now.
Bye.